Hi everyone, thank you for visiting my channel Stocks Current Affairs, where I discuss potential stocks for long-term investments. In today's video, we will discuss about a listed company that is engaged in the design, development, manufacturing of electronic and satellite communication product services. Avantel Ltd. The company was incorporated on 30th May 1990. It's engaged in the designing, developing wireless satellite communication products, defense electronics, radar systems, and the development of network management software applications for its customers, predominantly from the aerospace and defense sector. Products offered by the company include repeaters, filters, power dividers, power amplifiers, directional couplers. The company also provides vehicle tracking systems and other satellite communication products such as ship-borne terminal, handheld terminal, S-band receivers, ultra-high frequency transmitters, burst demodulators, network management systems, and solid-state power amplifiers. Avantel engages in R&D activities to create cutting-edge solutions in the relevant fields. The company's manufacturing and R&D facilities are situated at Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Now let's talk about its solutions. Mobile Satellite Services (MSS) network. Avantel has established the MSS network for Indian Navy for providing reliable, secured, real-time, long-range, around 1,000 nautical miles from shore, voice and data communication among ships, submarine aircraft, and helicopters. The network comprises of indigenously designed and developed Avantel's Earth Station electronics and platform equipment. Avantel is the first company to roll out indigenous airborne satellite communication solution duly approved by Center of Military Airworthiness and Certification, a regulatory body under DRDO, and form part of this network. Ultra-high frequency satellite communication network. The UHF network comprises of satellite communication plus LOS terminal for shipborne application and satellite communication only airborne terminal, and is extensively used for beyond line of sight operations in high seas. The sub-electronics and user terminals have been indigenously designed, developed, and deployed by Avantel on various in-ships and aircrafts. Wind Profiler Radars. Wind Profiler provides three-dimensional atmospheric wind data on a continuous basis with good spatial resolution. This continuous high-resolution wind data is very useful for studying the development of wind shears in near real time and is extremely crucial during successful satellite launches. Real-time information system for Indian Railways. Avantel has developed a unique real-time and cost-effective solutions for position determination and location transmission of the rolling stock, which are wagons, for Indian Railways. The real-time train information system helps the rail operator to run the wagon control application automatically. The system also enables the train information to be accessed through web or mobile service provider. The solution automatically computes the arrival and departure of passenger trains and updates the same through passenger information system or to an inquiry by the railway operator. The Sahayak is an air-droppable container aimed at enhancement of operational logistics of Indian Navy and facilitate quick supply of essential spares and stores to ships deployed at more than 2,000 km in high seas. This solution will reduce the requirement of ships coming alongside frequently for replenishment and enhance deployment duration. ERM-SAT. It has been designed for specific needs of strategic customers for environmental radiation monitoring. The standalone solar-powered environmental radiation monitor can be installed at various remote locations, and the radiation data is collected through sensors, is transmitted to a centralized location through satellite communication. Visual database for aircraft simulator. The company has extensive experience in building visual databases for aircraft simulators. All the airfield data like runway, airfield lighting, taxiways, markings, and signs are through site survey to ensure correctness and highest accuracy data. Geospecific modeling for areas close to airfield for better replication of actual ground conditions, and for other areas geotypical models are used. Ocean gauges and tide gauge applications. The company's equipments form the critical part of the tsunami early warning systems in India and are used to transfer the sea level data to the control center 24/7 to detect unusual sea condition and provide early warning for tsunami occurrence to to the administrative authorities and people as part of disaster preparedness and management initiative. The company has established strong relationship with large domestic as well as global defense OEM and service provider companies. The company maintains healthy and long-term relationship for over 2 decades with a reputed clientele that includes Indian Army, Indian Railways, Indian Air Force, Indian Navy, ISRO, DRDO, Goa Shipyard Limited, the Boeing Company, L&T, etc. Promoters extensive industry experience of around 3 decades, comfortable financials, and long-standing relationship with low counterparty risk customers including the Ministry of Defense help in timely execution of the orders. Now let's talk about its stock price and key financials. The stock has emerged from microcap segment to small cap and is currently having a market cap of Rs 2044 crore with premium PE of 60.6. Both ROC and ROE are great with 37.1% and 30.7%. The sales, operating profit, net profit of the company are increasing at a CAGR of 44%, 48% and 40% respectively. EPS has also grown constantly. Reserves are up by 20% YOY, can be used for further development. Long-term borrowings are zero. However, company has taken short-term loans, which is fine for a small cap company like Avantel that would need money to fund its operations and working capital needs. Hi viewers, I put a lot of effort to prepare these videos. Please subscribe to my channel, that will motivate me to prepare more such content. Now let's talk about its key future prospects. Diversified into medical devices market looks very lucrative in India. Among emerging markets, India's market for medical devices is expanding at the fastest rate. Its current market size is estimated to be $11 billion. The market size for medical devices in India is predicted to reach $50 billion by 2030, growing at a 21% CAGR during that time. In FY22, India imported around 8.5 billion US dollars worth of medical devices. By 2025, India may export medical devices worth of 10 billion US dollars. For its flagship Make in India program, the Indian government has designated the medical device industry as a priority sector, and it is dedicated to growing the manufacturing ecosystem. To support India's goal of becoming a major producer of medical devices, the Production Linked Incentive Scheme (PLI), promoting domestic manufacturing of medical devices, and Production Linked Incentive Scheme for pharmaceuticals were introduced. The total cost of the scheme was around 18,420 crore. In September 2021, Avantel floated EMEDS Global Private Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary, and established a manufacturing facility in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Medical Tech Zone. EMEDS Global Private Limited engages in projects like manufacturing watches, clocks, timekeeping devices, optical instruments, medical equipment, precision instruments, apparatus for measuring, recording with a synchronous motor. With 650,000 sold products, EMEDS has 450 customers. In the medical segment, EMEDS has developed skin stapler, remover, and oxygen concentrators. Favorable industry outlook. Recently, the defense budget has been mindful of the need to develop a technological infrastructure to support the expansion of thriving domestic defense manufacturing infrastructure. After subtracting the component for defense pension, India's defense budget for FY22-23 is approximately 4 lakh crore, with the main emphasis being on maintaining and modernizing the armed forces. With a budget of around 1.52 lakh crore, the capital expenditure for modernization of the armed forces has increased by 12.8%. The new Defense Acquisition Procedure 2020 has given indigenization a stronger push. The Defense Acquisition Procedure 2020 provisions will help to speed up the ongoing procurement cases and open up new business opportunities. Additionally, there is a huge market for locally produced affordable medical devices in the medical sector. Established market position in satellite communication. Avantel has been providing customized wireless and satellite communication solution and products in the niche defense supply segment for the past 3 decades. The company produces customized solution through procedure-oriented design, develops and manufactures RF subsystems, radar subsystem, software development, software-dependent radios and satellite communication systems, wireless front-end satellite communication embedded systems, signal processing devices, network management, software development, and related customer support services. The company's satellite communication products are proprietary, and as the sole vendor, it remains the major revenue contributor. The company is also involved in development and implementation of network systems for ships, submarine, surface vehicles, and aircrafts. In August 2022, Avantel Ltd had received an order of around 11.28 crore from Indian Navy for supply of SATCOM equipment. In July 2021, Avantel had received an order of around $1.98 million from Lockheed Martin Corporation for SATCOM equipment supply. Strong R&D. The company spends about 8 to 9% of its revenue on research and development. Avantel has a proven track record of developing strong relationship with its customers and suppliers. The company also offers customized services and products. Its employees are always highly motivated and equipped to meet the organization goals. Over time, the company has developed new variants of mobile satellite services products such as airborne version of high power 5 kilowatt HF systems. Imped has created skin staplers, removers, and oxygen concentrators for medical market. In addition, the company is developing software-defined radios in accordance with global standards. Steady growth of order books. The company has been getting multiple orders almost every month, leading to a strong order book. A couple of orders received include 24th August 2023. The company announced that it had received a purchase order worth 13.3 crore from Bharat Electronics for supply of PA modules. 14 July 2023. The company announced it secured an order of worth 4.24 crores from Mazagong Dock Shipbuilders for supply and installation of UHF SATCOM systems. On June 12, 2023, Avantel won the contract for supplying SATCOM terminals and hub stations. It was worth 54.38 crore from the Ministry of Defence, Coastal Guard Headquarters, New Delhi. Avantel is consolidating its position with its current portfolio of SATCOM and RF subsystems. It has indigenously designed the 1 kilowatt HF power amplifier and antenna coupler for Indian Navy and Indian Air Force upcoming requirement 1 kilowatt HF radios. The company has a long history of collaboration with Boeing. In June 2021, Avantel had collaborated with L&T, who has bid as lead system integrator for implementing the real-time train information system project of CRIS, Indian Railways. L&T has been declared as the successful bidder. Avantel therefore shall be supplying the Indian Railway Navigator and rail mount terminal loco to be installed around 6,300 locomotives. Conclusion. Avantel has emerged from a micro-cap segment to small cap. It is very risky stock, as small cap may rise swiftly in bull market and fall steeply in bear market. However, with the rising defense budget, a lot of orders are expected to trickle down to companies like Avantel. With strong foothold in SATCOM and diversification into medical devices segment, we can see huge potential in Avantel. My POV is that if a small cap has given a run up, wait for it to cool down a bit and invest in phases to get best average and hold for long. Hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe to my channel as it will motivate me to create more such content. Thank you.